Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Make sure that you have your MetaMask Chrome extension installed. Now, click on the extension and log into your account. If you click on the profile icon here, you can see different networks, but you need to click on Add to Custom Network button here. After that, type in the network name as Smart Chain. Now, type the URL here. Click on Add RPC URL. Then type https://bsc-dataset.binance.org and 1/. After that, click on Add URL button. Now, type the chain ID 56 and currency symbol as capital B and P. Now, you need to add Block Explorer URL. Click on Add a Block Explorer URL, then type the URL here https://bscscan.com. Now click on Add URL button. Now click on Save button. Here you can find your Binance Smart Chain network. Click on Got It button. If you want to change, you can simply click on this icon and here you can find a lot of network. To go back to BNB, you need to simply click on the same icon and you can click on Binance Smart Chain. So that is how you can add Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.